hear the word perseverance a lot in the world of entrepreneurship, but what does it really mean for you and your business? How have you persevered in your business? How will you stay on course and continue to persevere in your business in the future, no matter what comes up for you? Persevering is all about being able to stay committed to your goals despite obstacles, setbacks, or failures. In today's podcast episode, I'm exploring this concept further so that you can see how many entrepreneurs who have faced challenges on the road to success are able to persevere even when faced with these challenges. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Being able to utilize any obstacle, setback, or failure in your business will help you pivot along your journey as a business owner and have the grit to push through all of the tough times and keep going. When using perseverance throughout these challenges, you'll find success in not only your business, but your growth personally as a business owner as well. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Many of the business owners that I work with start their businesses with a passion that they have for a particular industry, but quickly realize that running a business is a whole different ballgame. They're faced with challenges, fierce competition, and even situations like the pandemic, which nearly shut them down, but they persevered through it all. Let's take, for instance, the pandemic. Many business owners were barely making enough to cover their expenses during this time. Most had to let go of some staff and question whether they should just close their business altogether. But the ones who persevered remembered why they started their business in the first place. It was for the love and the passion and the joy it brought them and their customers. This passion will normally give you the strength to pivot, adapt, and find new ways to reach your customers, even when there's a pandemic. If you were in business during the pandemic, what did you do to persevere through those challenges and turn things around for your business? When it comes to financial perspective in your business, it's absolutely critical to have perseverance. Small business owners often face unpredictable financial challenges, whether it's unexpected expenses, slow sales periods, or economic downturns. It's vital to have the resilience to weather these storms. A solid financial plan and the determination to stick to it can make all the difference. You can begin by setting clear goals. When you know what you're working towards and when you have a clear vision for your future, it's easier to stay committed even during more challenging times. Make sure that you have an amazing support network to help you through every step of your business. Building this network early in your business is the most beneficial, but you can add them at whatever point you are currently at in your business. When you surround yourself with mentors, fellow entrepreneurs, and a business or life coach who can provide guidance and encouragement when you feel like everything is crumbling around you, it's the key to your perseverance. Without support groups like this, many business owners feel alone and afraid to talk about what's happening in their business. This is one of the benefits that my clients receive when they work with me. By helping them with their perspective on what's happening in their business, or even their personal life, we can often take care of any overwhelm and anxiety that they're experiencing. We work on focusing on where they want their business to go and create action plans to reach their goals. When my clients are able to be open to change and pivot whenever necessary, they often find solutions that come from unexpected events that are happening in their business. Having this adaptability helps them persevere regardless of the situation that they're in, and you can use this in your business as well. Financial planning is also important when you're on your journey to success with perseverance. When you create a realistic budget, monitor your cash flow, and always have a financial cushion for emergencies, you'll find it easier to weather any storm in your business. By staying up to date with your bookkeeping so you know at any point in your business exactly how your business is doing will increase your confidence in your financial literacy as well as help you make sound business decisions at any time of the year. I always say that you need your financial information for your business when you have your tax return prepared. So why wouldn't you make sure that you have this information readily available to you all throughout the year? Use this financial information to your advantage. These financial foundations will allow you to take calculated risks and keep moving forward. Monitor your revenues and your expenses every month and start creating a financial safety net so that you can use it as a lifeline during any challenging time that you encounter in your business. Another essential thing to consider when you are persevering in your business is to make sure that you're celebrating every win in your business. Don't wait for the big successes to feel accomplished. Celebrate the small victories all along the way to stay motivated. Take some time every day to reflect on what your wins were from the previous day. Often when I'm working with my clients, they have a hard time pointing out what they should be celebrating. But when you get into the habit of looking back to see what you have accomplished, it does get easier. It's kind of like when you think about what you're grateful for. It may be hard to come up with things at first, but once you get into a grateful mindset, it's much easier to see everything that you're grateful for, even when it's something small. And speaking of mindset, I want to discuss the emotional aspect of perseverance. Entrepreneurship can be emotionally draining. How do you manage the emotional roller coaster that comes with running your business? This is where having a good support system in place and practicing self-care is crucial. Whether it's exercising, meditating, or simply taking time off to recharge, taking care of your mental and your emotional health is just as important as your business's financial health. Reaching out to professionals like myself as a certified public accountant and a certified life coach, I can help alleviate some of that financial stress. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business and help you focus on the steps that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your business. Mastering your small business finances is an ongoing process, and perseverance is the key to long-term success. Don't be afraid to seek out support, whether it's from a professional like myself or others in your support group who have been through similar challenges. Stay committed and keep pushing forward. If you'd like some help in any of these areas, in either your business or your personal life, so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, or overwhelm that you're currently feeling, I'm here to help. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business like you thought you would when you very first started it. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm that they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you are struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that is weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come. And relief knowing that we will meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in this program is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, You can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you will see the possibilities available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.